You have reached the Department of Children and... Good morning, Child Protection.
Hi, Miss. Jennifer Hall just called me as per the court order.
Okay.
So connect me to her, please.
Sure, hold on 1 second. Good morning, this is Jennifer.
Hi, Jennifer. It's Elijah.
Hi, Elijah.
All right. So you've been involved with my case from the door, right? You were the worker from the first day, right?
Not the first day.
Okay.
There has been another worker.
When did you start? When were you assigned to this case?
So, Elijah, I'm calling because...
Yeah, I know. That's great. I have some questions for you. I have some questions for you in regards to my case.
You do have questions. What are your questions regarding the case?
All right.
And
What?
are you recording me?
No, I'm not.
No, you're not recording me.
What difference does it make? It's a one-party consent state. I know that, I don't have to tell you that you're being recorded. I can record people in their business publicly. It's a one-party consent state. Ask your attorney. I don't have to notify you.
Okay, so the reason why I was calling you, because of court orders to contact you every Monday regarding...
Yeah, I know why you're calling me. I know why you're calling me. That's great.
If you're willing to participate in the psychological services or any court order services that we have.
No, I don't need them. Thank you. But I do have some questions for you.
Okay, what are your questions?
All right, so when were you assigned to this case?
In March.
In March. All right. So yeah. Okay. So you were there from day one, because March 28th was when she was taken. Okay. So with that being said, so you were there with the first action under.
So Elijah,
Hold on, Miss. Hold on.
More questions.
Miss, hold on. I just have a question in regards to the Title IX that you were moving under.
I'm not going to answer any more questions.
Why not?
Because I'm not going to answer any more questions regarding this. What I want to know is if you're willing to participate.
I already told you that. You keep asking me the same questions.
Miss, you informed me that you're not willing to participate in court order
Yeah, but you're not controlling this conversation, so relax, all right?
But you can't tell me to relax if I'm continuing to ask you the same question.
Yeah, but that's just retarded. That's just retarded. That's like insanity when you keep trying to do the same thing and expecting different results. Right.
So if you have any questions, then you can come. We have court on Wednesday.
I can come.
At 1:30.
I can come to court for questions regarding.
You can come to court and you can get a full update on the case.
But I have questions.
You have questions.
Yeah.
Okay.
For you.
Yeah, you have questions specifically for me.
Yes, because you're the caseworker on my case. Julie Blacker actually on video told me to contact you specifically because you're the caseworker and she's not.
Okay.
So, for my understanding, is you're the caseworker and Michelle Wallach is your supervisor, correct?
That is correct.
All right, so you're the go-to girl, unfortunately. All right, so NJSA 9:6-8.21. That was the if you look up you have access to my case, the court orders?
I have your court orders.
Okay.
And you'll be willing to obtain a court order as well if you attend the hearing? Because we have court on January 15th.
Okay, miss, I know, I understand. Okay, hear me out. Let's not stray off topic, please. So just 9:6-821, that's the Title IX that you withdrew the complaint. That's the initial complaint that was filed with the court that you were moving under, correct?
Under Title IX?
Title IX, specifically :6-8.21. Is that correct? Is that what's reflected in your record?
Elijah, if you need any of the...
Listen, miss, you're just prolonging something because I will subpoena your testimony and I will cross-examine you under oath.
How are you going to cross-examine me under oath?
Because I have
Elijah,
a trial.
We have court on...
Well, I'm just saying, you're going to have to answer these questions anyway, and you're probably going to have to do it in front of a jury one day in a civil lawsuit against you. I'm just trying to advise. Okay, well, listen, miss, it's a very simple question. I'm asking you. You took my daughter from me, all right? It's not like a trivial matter, like you took a piece of candy or something, right?
We had concerns, and
I know. You had?
Concerns.
You do have concerns still?
Regarding Alina's safety.
Okay, and those concerns led you to file for custody under 9:6-8.21?
We filed under Title IX. Yes, we did.
Title IX what? Title IX is vague. It's very broad.
Elijah, I'm not going to go into specifics with you.
I don't need to.
Go to court,
You don't think I need to know the
court
specifics?
at 1:30
You don't. You think I
on
need to know the
Wednesday, and
specifics?
you'll be able to find out what specifically
No,
what
but I'm
you were
asking
under,
you right
whether it's
now
9 or
instead of.
30. You'll be able to find out which one we're still working under because
No,
we
I
are
know you're working
under.
under Title 30 right now. You see, you're talking down to me as if I don't understand it. You have Title
No, I'm
9,
not speaking
Title
to you
30.
as if you don't understand
Yeah,
it. I'm telling you that you will be able to come to court to see what's currently going on, to see how
that's
you'll be
great, but
able
that
to be
doesn't.
reunified with Alina.
Okay,
That's what
that's
I'm telling
great.
you.
All right,
Because
I
when you come
appreciate
to
that.
court, we'll be able to
I
get all the
appreciate you
information
constantly
regarding
reminding.
reunification for Alina.
I appreciate you constantly reminding of a court date that I have, but that doesn't help me at all. And I don't know if you're competent, if you're, qualified to do this.
Okay.
But if,
So
as my caseworker, I just need.
Specifically supposed to be regarding competence. So what
No,
I'm going to
yeah,
do is I'm going to end this call. I've informed you
because I'm
of
asking you a question and you're not
date.
answering my question.
I've informed you of the court date.
I understand about the court date, miss. I'm asking you about Title IX, the action that you're taking against me. That's the most important thing here. The court is going to entertain why you're moving under Title 30 now, but I'm asking you about Title IX when you were on the case, when you first made the claim against me for custody. Now, from the records that I was sent, hello?
I'm listening.
All right, so from the records that I have that you guys sent me, from the last order of August, because listen, all right, first of all, you're my caseworker. Please email me every single court order that was issued.
I can't email you every single court order that
Why,
was
Michelle?
issued. You can receive the court order if you come to court. I can't
I don't
email you
wait,
court
miss,
orders
but
if you're able to attend court.
Miss, I have a right
Okay.
to discovery and know what I'm being charged with and what's going on with the court thing. And you guys have records of that, and you're obligated to provide me with those.
Right. And we have been attempting to provide you.
Well, I'm asking you to email.
To give us your current residence of
Just email them to me.
So if we don't have where you're residing, how am I supposed to
email? Like Michelle emailed me the one from August. You can just email it.
What's your email address?
Michelle has it, but I'll give it to you again. It's Eli, ELIJAH, ELIAS 23 at iCloud.com. Can you just confirm that with me?
Elijah, ELIJAH, ELIAS 23 at iCloud.com.
Excellent. Now I need every single court order and every single piece of paper that you have with my name on it, as per the law. Please. So, again, Title 9 action against me. August court order in front of Melchione. Or was it DiBiase? I don't know. Do you remember?
No, I don't remember off the top of my head right now, but one of the things that I'm going to continue to advocate for is for you to attend court this Wednesday at 1 p.m. and you'll be able to receive the court order in your hand, and you'll be able to go and find out what title we're currently proceeding under, find out what things
I know, but Miss, I've already notified regarding my court date in January.
Be reunified with Alina in order for you to have visitation with Alina, which is one of the things that I was contacting you about regarding court-ordered services.
Appreciate that.
So if you are willing to be reunified with Alina, we need.
I'm more than willing. You could give it to her. You could give it to me whenever you want.
You need to be willing to participate in psychological evaluation.
No, thank you. I don't want to violate my constitutional rights. Because,
so that's the choice that you're making.
Yeah, absolutely.
If you're telling me that you're not willing to do that, then
yeah, I have constitutional rights.
That where we are.
All right, Fifth Amendment allows me to not talk to anybody.
Right.
So that I'm
gonna
do.
For your time.
Hold on,
I appreciate it.
Miss Hall. Miss Hall. Hold on. I know you're trying to get off the phone. I understand that. You guys are all evading me. You guys are all scared of me.
No,
I'm not your typical.
I'm asking you questions and you're telling me.
You keep telling me about the court date, miss. You keep telling me about the court date. I'm asking you for my records that you're supposed to give to me. You're like, you could get them at court. Why are you telling me that? I'm not even going to court.
Right, but that's the thing. You're telling me I'm not going to court.
You're
telling me what you're going to do. So, I mean,
so how do I get my records without going to court?
Or you can't come to court.
I do have a disability. I've already communicated that to the court, and I have records of that.
That you have a disability, and that's the reason why you can't attend court.
No, I was denied. Well, listen, I do have disabilities physically that restrict me from coming there. There's also a religious constitutional issue for me going into those courts. I've already addressed that with the ADA guy at the court. Uh, he forwarded my request to the judge for a telephonic appearance over the phone. He denied that. That's all on record. That's okay.
Right.
More due process violations?
Sure.
Fine. Okay, but that's right. So we addressed the court issue, right? Not going to court. Can't appear over the phone. That's it. You guys are denying me a hearing. Again, just like the previous one where I wasn't allowed to talk to the judge or yourself or object or anything like that to anything that's going on. I was not afforded that. So that's okay.
Previously, we're allowed to be on the record and we're allowed to appear over the phone.
Yeah, what happened?
And then you were court ordered to come into court.
Yeah, why is that?
So
what
that
happened?
Was because Judge DiBiase at the
He's
time,
no longer on the case.
Right, but at the time, if you let me finish, he was allowing you to appear via telephone.
Right, but then he communicated to me after my last hearing that I was not allowed to anymore. What was the reason for that?
Exactly, and that's where I was getting at.
So there's no reason for that?
He communicated that you were no longer allowed to appear via telephone, and you had to physically attend court.
Okay, so there's no reason why the court can't contact me over the phone. They're just denying me that, right?
Well, you were court ordered to attend.
Yeah, that's great. I don't care about the court order. I was court ordered to do a lot of things I'm not doing. Listen, my whole thing is that the court doesn't have jurisdiction to tell me what to do. So until they prove jurisdiction, I'm not going to listen to the court. I don't care about their orders. All right?
Okay.
Are we clear on that? There's no reason to contact me every week, ask me the same redundant question. I've already communicated this point since March. I don't know what you guys don't get. I really don't. But aside from that, Miss, 9:6-8.21, can you just look that up?
So, Elijah, no, I'm not going to look it up. I feel like we're going back and forth
We're not going back and forth.
Again,
circles?
You've stated everything.
What circles? I've never asked you. I've never called to ask about this statute. I've never asked.
You're asking me about statutes. You're also informing me that you're not willing to participate in court-ordered services.
And Miss, you are being recorded, just so you're aware.
So therefore, I know you're recording me. So therefore, with that being said,
so I have your consent.
I'm going to end the telephone call.
All right, but just so you know that you've been recorded the whole time, and I didn't have to notify you about that.
Okay.
As per the state law, that's the Glick decision. You can look that up yourself.
Thank you so much for your time. Appreciate it.
Yeah, but can I have some more assistance from you or no?